Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel The Knowledge Library. Today we are going to discuss some MCQs on the topic computer application for class 10th. The first question is, Chrome is a browser by which company? Option A, Microsoft. Option B, Google. Option C, Apple. Option D, IBM. The correct answer is option B, Google. The next question is, IP addresses of two computers on a network. Option A can be the same. Option B cannot be the same. Option C are not defined. Option D must match with the third computer. The correct answer is option B, cannot be the same. The next question is, a domain name maps to option A, a URL, option B, a website, option C, an IP address, option D, all of these. The correct answer is option B, a website. The next question is, www stands for option A, World Wide Web, option B, World Wide Web, option C, World Wide Web, option D, Web Worldwide. The correct answer is option A, World Wide Web. The next question is, which of the following is not a web browser? Option A, Mozilla Firefox, option B, Google Chrome, option C, Internet Explorer, option D, Microsoft Front Page. The correct answer is option D, Microsoft Front Page. The next question is, which of the following is not an ISP in India? Option A, MTNL, option B, Vodafone, option C, Airtel, option D, TCP. The correct answer is option D, TCP. The next question is, the device which is used to convert digital data into analog form and vice versa is called a option A, keyboard, option B, modem, option C, router, option D, light pen. The correct answer is option B, modem. The next question is, the computer or server on the internet is also known as option A, PC, option B, host, option C, browser, option D, client. The correct answer is option B, host. The next question is, internet address is a option A, 8-bit number, option B, 16-bit number, option C, 32-bit number, option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option C, 32-bit number. The next question is, in all computers on the internet, the ones owned and operated by educational institutions form part of option A, ORG domain, option B, UNIV domain, option C, EDU domain, option D, MIL domain. The correct answer is option C, EDU domain. The next question is, in HTTPS, S means option A, secret, option B, socket, option C, secure, option D, software. The correct answer is option C, secure. The next question is, which of the following techniques can be used for security of data? Option A, authentication, option B, authorization, option C, encryption, option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option C, encryption. The next question is, an encryption algorithm is used to transform a readable message into option A, text message, option B, simple message, option C, converted message, option D, encrypted message. The correct answer is option D, encrypted message. The next question is, In keys cipher, for which of the following values of key the encrypted message will be the same as original message? Option A 0, option B 26, option C both A and B, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option C both A and B. The next question is www stands for option A World Wide Web, option B World Wide Web, option C World Wide Web, option D Web Worldwide. The correct answer is option A World Wide Web. The next question is dash are stored on servers of internet. Option A www, option B websites, option C internet, option D links. The correct answer is option B websites. The next question is in dash NSF created a common network called CSNET. Option A 1950, option B 1960, option C 1970, option D 1980. The correct answer is option C 1970. The next question is ARPANET stands for option A Advanced Research Projects Agency Network, option B Advanced Research Product Agency Network, option C Advanced Research Process Agency Network, option D Advanced Research Plan Agency Network. The correct answer is option A Advanced Research Projects Agency Network. The next question is the World Wide Web was invented in the year option A 1988, option B 1989, option C 1990, option D 1992. The correct answer is option B 1989. The next question is the World Wide Web is a virtual network of websites connected by dash. Option A hyperlinks, option B internet, option C websites, option D World Wide Web. The correct answer is option A hyperlinks. The next question is each computer connected to the internet must option A be a Pentium machine, option B have a unique IP address, option C have a web browser, option D have a modem connection. The correct answer is option B have a unique IP address. The next question is an IP address is a string of numbers separated by periods. Option A 3, option B 4, option C 2, option D 5. The correct answer is option B 4. The next question is IP addresses are converted into option A binary string, option B alphanumeric string, option C a hierarchy of domain names, option D a hexadecimal string. The correct answer is option C a hierarchy of domain names. The next question is which of the following translates domain name into IP addresses? Option A URL, option B web address, option C domain abbreviation, option D domain name system. The correct answer is option D domain name system. A. The next question is the minimum value of IP address string is option A 2, option B 4, option C 16, option D 0. The correct answer is option D 0. The next question is the maximum value of IP address string is option A 256, option B 128, option C 255, option D 512. The correct answer is option C 255. The next question is protocols are set up rules to govern option A communication, option B standard, option C metropolitan communication, Option D, bandwidth. The correct answer is option A, communication. The next question is, which protocol is commonly used to retrieve email from a mail server? Option A, FTP. Option B, IMAP. Option C, HTML. Option D, Telnet. The correct answer is option B, IMAP. The next question is, a user can get files from another computer on the internet by using option A, HTTP. Option B, Telnet. Option C, UTP. Option D, FTP. The correct answer is option D, FTP. The next question is, TCP is a commonly used protocol at option A, application layer. Option B, transport layer. Option C, network layer. Option D, data link layer. The correct answer is option B, transport layer. The next question is, which part of TCP or IP is responsible for dividing a file or message into very small parts at the source computer? Option A, TCP. Option B, IP. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is option A, TCP. The next question is, in Internet Protocol, data is organized in the form of option A, bundles. Option B, packets. Option C, switches. Option D, parts. The correct answer is option B, packets. The next question is, a simple protocol used for fetching email from a mailbox is option A, POP2. Option B, POP3. Option C, IMAP. Option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option B, POP3. The next question is, the process of exchanging data packets is called option A, packet switching. Option B, packet sharing. Option C, packet changing. Option D, packet snatching. The correct answer is option A, packet switching. The next question is, POP3 stands for option A, Post Office Packet 3. Option B, Post Office Protocol 3. Option C, Post Office Period 3. Option D, Post Office Point 3. The correct answer is option B, Post Office Protocol 3. The next question is, the program for logging into and executing commands on a remote machine is option A, SSH. Option B, PPP. Option C, SMTP. Option D, POP3. The correct answer is option A, SSH. The next question is, the short form for telecommunication network is option A, Telenet. Option B, TN. Option C, TNT. Option D, Telnet. The correct answer is option D, Telnet. The next question is, what is the required version of file transfer protocol? Option A, EFTP. Option B, SFTP. Option C, SMTP. Option D, EMTP. The correct answer is option B, SFTP. The next question is, which of the following is an internet protocol? Option A, HTTP. Option B, FTP. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option C, both A and B. The next question is, which of the following internet protocols provides secure data transmission between server and browser with the help of encryption? Option A, HTTP. Option B, HTTPS. Option C, Telnet. Option D, ARPANET. The correct answer is option B, HTTPS. The next question is, the full form of POP is option A, post order protocol. Option B, push order protocol. Option C, post office protocol. Option D, pullover protocol. The correct answer is option C, post office protocol. The next question is, which of the following protocol is used for delivering data from sources to the destination? Option A, TCP. Option B, IP. Option C, SMTP. Option D, ARPANT. The correct answer is option C, SMTP. The next question is, the full form of Telnet is option A, Secure Mail Transfer Protocol. Option B, Secure Mail Transmit Protocol. Option C, Simple Mail Transmit Protocol. Option D, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. The correct answer is option D, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. The next question is, which protocol assigns IP address to the client connected to the internet? Option A, DHCP. Option B, IP. Option C, RPC. Option D, RSVP. The correct answer is option A, DHCP. The next question is, internet protocols are a set of rules to govern. Option A, communication between computers on a network. Option B, standard. Option C, metropolitan communication. Option D, bandwidth. The correct answer is option A, communication between computers on a network. The next question is, network layer at source is responsible for creating a packet from data coming from another. Option A, station. Option B, link. Option C, node. Option D, protocol. The correct answer is option D, protocol. The next question is, several protocols for upper layer in Bluetooth use. Option A, UDP. Option B, HSFP. Option C, ITC. Option D, L2CAP. The correct answer is option D, L2CAP. The next question is, which one of the following is not an application layer protocol used in internet? Option A, remote procedure call. Option B, internet relay chat. Option C, resource reservation protocol. Option D, local procedure call. The correct answer is option C. The next question is, checksum is used on internet by several protocols, although not at the option A, season layer. Option B, transport layer. Option C, network layer. Option D, data link layer. The correct answer is option D, data link layer. The next question is, Dash uses protocols to communicate with mail servers. Option A, Airtel. Option B, SMTP. Option C, DNS. Option D, MX. The correct answer is option A, Airtel. The next question is, SMTP stands for option A, Simple Mail Trending Protocol. Option B, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. Option C, Simple Mail Tracking Protocol. Option D, Simple Mail Trust Protocol. The correct answer is option B, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. The next question is, Dash is a standard mail protocol used to receive emails. Option A, SMTP. Option B, DNS. Option C, MX. Option D, POP3. The correct answer is option D, POP3. The next question is, most email clients allow for data transfers up to option A, 1 MB. Option B, 3 MB. Option C, 5 MB. Option D, 10 MB. The correct answer is option D, 10 MB. The next question is, SMTP server has its own record. Option A, MX Mail Exchanger. Option B, DNS. Option C, none. Option D, all of these. The correct answer is option A, Mail Exchanger. The next question is dash database that corresponds to the domain for which it is configured to receive email. Option A DNS, option B email, option C SMTP, option D all of these. The correct answer is option A DNS. The next question is which version of POP is the standard mail protocol used to receive emails from a remote server to a local email client? Option A version 1, option B version 2, option C version 3, option D version 4. The correct answer is option C version 3. The next question is a website used to provide online information and services to the citizen is an example of option A e-business, option B email, option C e-governance, option D e-learning. The correct answer is option C e-governance. The next question is the website of an electricity supply company which allows its customers to pay bills online is an example of option A e-business, option B email, option C e-governance, option D e-learning. The correct answer is option A e-business. The next question is the website of a school which allows the students to go through various lessons in their subject is an example of option A e-business, option B email, option C e-governance, option D e-learning. The correct answer is option D e-learning. The next question is web address of a national portal of India is option A india.gov.in, option B goi.government.in, option C ncrt.nic.in, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option A india.gov.in. The next question is an email address is made up of option A 4 parts, option B 2 parts, option C single part, option D 3 parts. The correct answer is option B 2 parts. The next question is emails are stored in this folder before they are sent. Option A inbox, option B sent, option C outbox, option D message box. The correct answer is option C outbox. The next question is which one of the following is an e-shopping website? Option A Flipkart, option B Amazon, option C Snapdeal, option D all of the above. The correct answer is option B all of the above. The next question is the full form of BCC is option A broad carbon copy, option B blink carbon copy, option C blind carbon copy, option D best carbon copy. The correct answer is option C blind carbon copy. The next question is MIME stands for option A multipurpose internet mail extensions, option B multipurpose internet mail email, option C multipurpose internet mail end, option D multipurpose internet mail extra. The correct answer is option A multipurpose internet mail extension. The next question is when sender and receiver of an email are on same system we need only two. Option A IP, option B domain, option C servers, option D user agents. The correct answer is option D user agents. The next question is which of the following is the correct format of email address? Option A name@website@info, option B name@website.info, option C www.nameofwebsite.com, option D name.website.com. The correct answer is option B name@website.info. The next question is unsolicited email advertising is known as option A news group, option B junk ads, Option C, spam. Option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option C, spam. The next question is NVT stands for option A, network virtual transmission. Option B, network virtual test. Option C, network virtual terminal. Option D, network virtual tel. The correct answer is option C, network virtual terminal. The next question is mail access starts with client when user needs to download email from the option A, mailbox. Option B, mail server. Option C, IP server. Option D, internet. The correct answer is option A, mailbox. The next question is which of the following is not an email service provider? Option A, Yahoo. Option B, Hotmail. Option C, Rediff. Option D, Pinterest. The correct answer is option D, Pinterest. The next question is privacy law is intended to protect the personal information about option A, individuals in society. Option B, computer networks. Option C, employees. Option D, students. The correct answer is option C, employees. The next question is which of the following has e-groups? Option A, Instagram. Option B, Twitter. Option C, Yahoo. Option D, WhatsApp. The correct answer is option C, Yahoo. The next question is whenever a new comment is posted, users of the e-group receive notification that there is a new contribution to the discussion. Option A, SMS. Option B, email. Option C, WhatsApp. Option D, call. The correct answer is option B, email. The next question is what does TAN stand for? Option A, tax deduction account number. Option B, tax deduction and collection account number. Option C, taxable account number. Option D, tax account number. The correct answer is option B, tax deduction and collection account number. The next question is which of the following describes e-commerce? Option A, doing business. Option B, sale of goods. Option C, doing business electronically. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option C, doing business electronically. The next question is which of the following is not considered to be one of the three phases of e-commerce? Option A, innovation. Option B, consolidation. Option C, preservation. Option D, reinvention. The correct answer is option C, preservation. The next question is which segment do eBay and Amazon belong to? Option A, B2B. Option B, B2C. Option C, C2B. Option D, C2C. The correct answer is option B, B2C. The next question is which of the following is not a key element of a business model? Option A, value proposition. Option B, competitive advantage. Option C, market strategy. Option D, universal standards. The correct answer is option B, competitive advantage. Next question is the primary source of financing during the early years of e-commerce was option A, blank notes. Option B, large retail films. Option C, venture capital funds. Option D, initial public offerings. The correct answer is option C, venture capital funds. The next question is which type of following is not a major type of e-commerce? Option A, C2B. Option B, B2C. Option C, B2B. Option D, C2C. The correct answer is option A, C2B. The next question is The best products to sell in B2C e-commerce are option A, small products, option B, digital products, option C, specialty products, option D, fresh products. The correct answer is option D, fresh products. The next question is, HTML is what type of language? Option A, scripting language, option B, markup language, option C, programming language, option D, network protocol. The correct answer is option B, markup language. The next question is, apart from B tag, what other tag makes text bold? Option A, fat, option B, strong, option C, black, option D, M. The correct answer is option B, strong. The next question is, how is a tag enclosed? Option A, round brackets, option B, greater than small than sign, option C, square brackets, option D, colon or small bracket. The correct answer is option B. The next question is, we can view the source code of HTML document in option A, Notepad, option B, PowerPoint, option C, Excel, option D, Paint. The correct answer is option A, Notepad. The next question is, the value of hashtag EFFFFF is option A, green, option B, black, option C, white, option D, yellow. The correct answer is option C, white. The next question is, which attribute does not come in HR tag? Option A, size, option B, color, option C, width, option D, length. The correct answer is option D, length. The next question is, to display x plus y into 2, correct HTML code is option A, option B, option C, option D. The correct answer is option C. The next question is, the dash tag is used to display the text as subscript. Option A, insert, option B, sub, option C, M, option D, strong. The correct answer is option B, sub. The next question is, dash defines the largest heading. Option A, H1 tag, option B, H2 tag, option C, H3 tag, option D, H4 tag. The correct answer is option A, H1 tag. The next question is, background is an attribute of option A, body tag, option B, font tag, option C, image tag, option D, A tag. The correct answer is option A, body tag. The next question is, which of the following is not a browser? Option A, Microsoft Bing, option B, Netscape Navigator, option C, Mozilla Firefox, option D, Opera. The correct answer is option A, Microsoft Bing. The next question is, the tag contains the title of the document. Option A, HTML, option B, head, option C, body, option D, title. The correct answer is option D, title. The next question is, the value of hashtag 0000FF is option A, blue, option B, white, option C, red, option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option A, blue. The next question is, which tag is used to insert an image in web page? Option A tag. Option B, table tag. Option C, image tag. Option D, P tag. The correct answer is option C, image tag. B, source. The next question is, the alternate text of an image can be displayed by using the image tag. Option A, source. Option B, alt. Option C, align. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is option B, alt. The next question is, alt attribute allows option A, addition of an alternate hyperlink. Option B, addition of a border to image. Option C, use of an alternate image in place of the specified image. Option D, addition of alternate text about an image. The correct answer is option D. The next question is, an example of HTML editor is option A, Notepad. Option B, Dreamweaver. Option C, Microsoft Front Page. Option D, all of these. The correct answer is option D, all of these. The next question is, the meaning of M in HTML is option A, management. Option B, markup. Option C, modified. Option D, machine. The correct answer is option B, markup. The next question is, a web page normally consists of option A, head and body. Option B, top and bottom. Option C, body and font. Option D, body and title. The correct answer is option A, head and body. The next question is, where do you place the title tag in HTML? Option A, body. Option B, head. Option C, title. Option D, font. The correct answer is option B, head. The next question is, which section is used for text and tags that are shown directly on your web pages? Option A, meta. Option B, head. Option C, body. Option D, table. The correct answer is option C, body. The next question is, the full form of HTML is option A, hypertext markup language. Option B, hypertext markup language. Option C, higher text markup language. Option D, hypertext mashup language. The correct answer is option A, hypertext markup language. The next question is, the full form of CSS is option A, categorized style sheet. Option B, console style sheet. Option C, cascading style sheet. Option D, cascading settle sheet. The correct answer is option C, cascading style sheet. The next question is, HTML program works on any operating system without any modification, which means it is a language. Option A, platform independent. Option B, platform dependent. Option C, case sensitive. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is option A, platform independent. Next question is, the tag HTML is same as HTML, which means HTML is a dash language. Option A, case sensitive. Option B, not a case sensitive language. Option C, platform dependent. Option D, platform independent. The correct answer is option B, not a case sensitive language. The next question is, which of the following is not a scripting language? Option A, PHP. Option B, Java. Option C, Net. Option D, MS Office. The correct answer is option D, MS Office. The next question is, what is the full form of JPEG? Option A, Joint Photographic Experts Group. Option B, Zone Photographic Experts Group. Option D, Joint Photography Experts Group. Option D, Joint Photographic Excel Group. The correct answer is option A, Joint Photographic Experts Group. Next question is, the full form of GIFs is option A, Graphics Interchange Formation. Option B, Graphical Interchange Format. Option C, Graphics Interchange Format. Option D, Graphics Interconnected Format. The correct answer is option C, Graphics Interchange Format. The next question is, the attributes of image tag is or are option A, alt. Option B, source. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is option C, both A and B. The next question is, image tag is an empty tag, which means option A, it does not have an opening tag. Option B, it does not have a closing tag. Option C, it does not support any attribute. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is option B, it does not have a closing tag. The next question is, in HTML the image tag is used to define option A, website. Option B, web pages. Option C, images. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is option C, images. The next question is, which of the following statements are false? Option A, JPG contains 256 colors. Option B, GIF is limited to an 8-bit palette or 1 million colors. Option C, GIF format is best suited for photographers. Option D, all of these. The correct answer is option D, all of these. The next question is, the alt attribute is used to option A, specifies the URL. Option B, furnish an alternate text for an image. Option C, form diagrams, shapes, logos and cartoon style images. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is option B, furnish an alternate text for an image. The next question is, in OL tag and UL tag, the style of bullet or number is defined by option A, type attribute. Option B, style attribute. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option A, type attribute. The next question is, which of the following will produce a solid circle bullet when as a type for UL tag? Option A, circle. Option B, square. Option C, disc. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is option C, disc. The next question is, a dash can be inserted in HTML document which can act as a container for all the input elements. Option A, text field. Option B, text area. Option C, form. Option D, command button. The correct answer is option C, form. The next question is, dash method is used to send form data as URL variables. Option A, get. Option B, set. Option D, post. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is option A, get. The next question is, dash method is used to send form data as HTTP post. Option A, get. Option B, set. Option C, post. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is option C, post. The next question is, which element allows for the creation of groups of options in a select menu? Option A, select tag. Option B, group tag. Option C, option tag. Option D, opt group tag. The correct answer is option C, option tag. The next question is, the attribute specifies the page which handles the input from the user. Option A, method. Option B, frame. Option C, action. Option D, target. The correct answer is option C, action. The next question is, in the term HTML, what does M stands for? Option A, markup. Option B, mashup. Option C, meaningful. Option D, most. The correct answer is option A, markup. The next question is, dash are the most powerful parts of a web page. Option A, links. Option B, forms. Option C, images. Option D, scripting. The correct answer is option B, forms. The next question is, which of the following tag is used to display the body of the web page? Option A, CSS tag. Option B, head tag. Option C, body tag. Option D, title tag. The correct answer is option C, body tag. The next question is, which of the following defines the role of a form? Option A, displaying various kinds of information to the user. Option B, gather different kinds of user input. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is option C, both A and B. The next question is, which tag is used to create a form in a web page? Option A, form tag. Option B, title tag. Option C, head tag. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is option A, form tag. The next question is, what are the different buttons that form contains? Option A, checkbox. Option B, radio button. Option C, post submit button. Option D, all of these. The correct answer is option D, all of these. The next question is, HTML order list or numbered list displays elements in a dash format. Option A, numbered. Option B, bulleted. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is option A, numbered. Next question is, the HTML tag is used for creating order list. Option A, UL tag. Option B, OL tag. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is option B, OL tag. The next question is, the attribute is used to specify the start of the order list. Option A, start. Option B, ST. Option C, face. Option D, size. The correct answer is option A, start. The next question is, what does LI stand for? Option A, list item. Option B, last item. Option C, long item. Option D, length item. The correct answer is option A, list item. The next question is, which of the following is not an attribute of OL tag? Option A, type. Option B, start. Option C, background. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is option C, background. The next question is, checkboxes are used when the visitor can select dash options from a set of alternatives. Option A, 1. Option B, multiple. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is option C, both A and B. The next question is, what happens when the syntax of the code is input type is equal to checkbox checked? Option A will make that checkbox highlight when the page loads. Option B, the page will never be loaded. Option C will make the checkbox dormant when the page loads. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is option A, will make that checkbox highlight when the page loads. The next question is, which tag is used to insert a checkbox on the form? Option A, input tag. Option B, checkbox. Option C, type tag. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is option A, input tag. The next question is, in which of the following checkboxes can be used? Option A, names of countries visited. Option B, names of food items loved. Option C, names of languages known. Option D, all of these. The correct answer is option C, names of languages known. The next question is, which tag should be there between the input tag to designate a form? Option A, form tag. Option B, table tag. Option C, B tag. Option D, HR tag. The correct answer is option A, form tag. The next question is, can be inserted in HTML document which can act as a container for all input elements. Option A, text field. Option B, text area. Option C, form. Option D, command button. The correct answer is option C, form. The next question is, dash method is used to send form data as URL variables. Option A, get. Option B, set. Option C, post. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is option A, get. The next question is, which of the following tag is used to link the URL? Option A, hyperlink. Option B, link. Option C, A tag. Option D, style. The correct answer is option C, A tag. The next question is, link URL in HTML is specified using attribute. Option A, src. Option B, href. Option C, rel. Option D, link. The correct answer is option B, href. The next question is, value of attribute href is also called as of the destination web page. Option A, URS. Option B, URK. Option C, URL. Option D, URM. The correct answer is option C, URL. The next question is, URL in HTML stands for option A, universal resource locator. Option B, uniform resource locator. Option C, uni resource locator. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is option B, uniform resource locator. The next question is, links in HTML can be of the following types. Option A, unvisited. Option B, visited. Option C, active. Option D, all of these. The correct answer is option D, all of these. The next question is, default style and color of unvisited link in any browser is option A, underline and magneto. Option B, normal and blue. Option C, underline and pink. Option D, underlined and blue. The correct answer is option D, underlined and blue. The next question is, which of the attributes cannot be present if the href tab is not present? Option A, hreflang. Option B, rel. Option C, target. Option D, all of these. The correct answer is option D, all of these. Next question is, tr belongs to dash tag. Option A, table tag. Option B, div tag. Option C, frameset tag. Option D, td tag. The correct answer is option A, table tag. The next question is, dash tag is used to add columns to a table. Option A, definition list. Option B, definition list term. Option C, definition list description. Option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option D, none of the above. The next question is, which attribute is used to define cell contents to left? Option A, valine. Option B, align. Option C, G-align. Option D, H-align. The correct answer is option B, align. The next question is, which tag is used to add a row to a table? Option A, TR. Option B, TD. Option C, TH. Option D, TC. The correct answer is option A, TR. The next question is, which of the following is used to specify the beginning of a table's row? Option A, T row. Option B, tabular. Option C, TR. Option D, row. The correct answer is option C, TR. The next question is, in order to add border to a table, border tag is specified in which tag? Option A, the head. Option B, TB order. Option C, table. Option D, TR. The correct answer is option C, table. The next question is, which of these tags are called table tags? Option A, TS into body. The next question is, which HTML command is used to align the contents of the cell to right? Option A, TR align is equals to right. Option B, TD align is equals to right. Option C, TD align is equals to right. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option B, TD align is equals to right. The next question is, the two common attributes of image and table tag are option A, source and height. Option B, height and width. Option C, border and source. Option D, none. The correct answer is option B, height and width. The next question is, which of the following is not an attribute of table tag? Option A, border. Option B, background. Option C, background color. Option D, source. The correct answer is option D, source. The next question is, row span is equals to n and color span is equals to n can be added to dash tag. Option A, HR. Option B, table. Option C, TD tag. Option D, TR tag. The correct answer is option C, TD tag. The next question is, each table may have a caption relevant to the information which is represented by tag. Option A, TR tag. Option B, TH tag. Option C, TD tag. Option D, caption. The correct answer is option D, caption. The next question is, the table tag is used to create a dash. Option A, row. Option B, column. Option C, table. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is option C, table. The next question is, the tag to define the header of the table is dash tag. Option A, TR. Option B, TD. Option C, TH tag. Option D, caption tag. The correct answer is option C, TH tag. The next question is, dash style sheets are used to add styles to a particular tag or group of tags. Option A, inline. Option B, embedded. Option C, outline. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is option A, inline. The next question is, a dash is used to assign value to individual property. Option A, semicolon. Option B, comma. Option C, colon. Option D, inverted comma. The correct answer is option C, colon. Next question is, dash style sheets are used to define unique styles for the elements of a single HTML document. Option A, internal. Option B, embedded. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is option C, both A and B. The next question is, the internal styles are defined in the section of HTML documented by using the style tag. Option A, head. Option B, body. Option C, title. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is option A, head. The next question is, the attribute of style tag specifies the type of style sheet being used. Option A, start. Option B, CSS. Option C, type. Option D, href. The correct answer is option C, type. The next question is, the style information is enclosed in and to separate multiple style properties. Option A, double quotes. Option B, semicolon. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is option C, both A and B. The next question is, the full form of CSS is option A, cascading style sheet. Option B, concatenate style sheet. Option C, convey style sheet. Option D, conclusive style sheet. The correct answer is option A, cascading style sheet. The next question is, the main aim of CSS is to increase the dash of the page. Option A, style. Option B, length. Option C, breadth. Option D, size. The correct answer is option A, style. The next question is, for element for a tag is the text that appears within the tag. Option A, attribute. Option B, style. Option C, selector. Option D, property. The correct answer is option C, selector. The next question is, the parts of style sheet are option A, a selector. Option B, a set of properties. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is option C, both A and B. The next question is, what does the following statement correspond to? Option A, this defines the background of the body to be in red. Option B, this defines the font color of HI as red. Option C, this defines the background color of HI as red. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is this defines the font color of HI as red. The next question is, a can be inserted in HTML document which can act as a container for all the input elements. Option A, text field. Option B, text area. Option C, form. Option D, command button. The correct answer is option C, form. The next question is, dash method is used to send form data as URL variables. Option A, get. Option B, set. Option C, post. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is option A, get. The next question is, which of the following tag is used to link the URL? Option A, hyperlink. Option B, link. Option C, A tag. Option D, style tag. The correct answer is option C, A tag. The next question is, link URL in HTML is specified using attribute. Option A, source tag. Option B, href. Option C, rel. Option D, link. The correct answer is option B, href. The next question is, value of attribute href is also called as the destination web page. Option A, URS. Option B, URK. Option C, URL. Option D, URM. The correct answer is option C, URL. The next question is, URL in HTML stands for option A, Universal Resource Locator, option B, Uniform Resource Locator, option C, Uni Resource Locator, option D, none of these. The correct answer is option B, Uniform Resource Locator. The next question is, link in HTML can be of following types. Option A, unvisited, option B, visited, option C, active, option D, all of these. The correct answer is option D, all of these.